Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorly. Broken links on your website can frustrate visitors and hurt your SEO. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix broken links in Squarespace using URL redirects. Let's get started. First, we need to find any broken links on your site. A broken link usually shows up as a 404 error. You can use tools like Google Search Console, Screaming Frog, or brokenlinkcheck.com to scan your site. For example, in Google Search Console, go to Coverage, then Errors, and look for URLs marked as Not Found. These are the pages that need redirects. Make a note of all the broken URLs because we'll be redirecting them to the correct pages. Next, log into your Squarespace account and open your website dashboard. On the left-hand menu, go to Settings and search URL Mappings. This is where we'll create our redirects. In Squarespace, a URL redirect uses this format: /old-URL /new-URL 301. /old-URL is the broken link or page you want to fix. /new-URL is the page where visitors should go instead. 301 tells search engines this is a permanent redirect, which is best for SEO. Let's say we had a blog post that moved from /blog/how-to-garden to /blog/gardening tips. In URL mappings, type /blog/how-to-garden /blog/gardening tips 301. Then click Save. Now it's time to test. Open your old URL in a browser. If everything is set up correctly, it should automatically take you to the new page. If it doesn't work immediately, give it a few minutes and try again. You can add as many redirects as you need. Just list each one on a new line, like this: /old-page-1 /new-page-1 301 /old-page-2 /new-page-2 301 /old-blog-post /new-blog-post 301. Remember to save your changes after adding all your redirects. A few extra tips. Use 301 redirects for permanent changes, and 302 if it's temporary. Keep a backup list of old URLs in case you need to update redirects later. Regularly check Google Search Console for new broken links so your site stays healthy. And that's it. You now know how to fix broken links in Squarespace using URL redirects. Keeping your links up to date helps your visitors and improves your SEO. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Squarespace tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.